Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of garden care with a product that's been making waves among gardening enthusiasts: the Gronomics GBO1Q Cedar Garden Bed Oil. If you're looking to preserve and enhance the beauty of your cedar garden beds, stick around because this might just be the best solution out there. So, what makes this product stand out from the rest? Let's break it down. First off, this oil is specifically designed for cedar garden products. Whether you have raised beds, planters, or even outdoor furniture, this oil is tailor-made to protect and nourish the wood, ensuring longevity and durability. Application is a breeze. With its easy-to-use formula, you can simply brush or wipe the oil onto the surface of your cedar. No need for complicated processes or special tools, just a few simple steps and you're good to go. One of the key features of this product is its food contact safety. That's right, it's completely safe for use on surfaces that come into contact with food. So if you're growing herbs, vegetables, or fruits in your garden, you can rest assured that this oil won't pose any harm. Another major benefit is its ability to preserve and minimize drying and cracking. Cedar wood is naturally resistant to decay, but prolonged exposure to the elements can still take its toll. With regular application of this oil, you can maintain the integrity of your cedar garden beds for years to come. And let's talk about aesthetics. Not only does this oil protect your cedar, but it also enhances its natural beauty. Say goodbye to dull, weathered wood. With just a coat of Gronomics Cedar Garden Bed Oil, your garden will be looking fresh and vibrant all year round. So there you have it, folks. The Gronomics GBO1Q Cedar Garden Bed Oil, the best choice for preserving and beautifying your cedar garden beds. If you're ready to take your gardening game to the next level, give this product a try. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.